Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the practice school semester B Farm subjects. So here we will discuss in a detail about the practice school. As you know that it have different departments of practice school. Department of Pharmaceutics, Department of Quality Assurance, Department of Ecology. In this we will discuss about the pharmacy department as it is of 150 hours. So this 150 hours is divided into different module. Module 1, Module 2, Module 3 and Module 4. And that module again is divided into different hours. First module is 25 hour, next module is 50 hour, third module is 25 hour, again the last module is of 50 hours. So whenever you start the practice school of Department of Pharmaceutics, you should have to follow this module. So in this module you will get actually what you have to do in the project work and how much time you require to complete that project work. So you can see in the screen that different modules and that classifications it has been mentioned over here. They study again how to handle the projects. Again next is the title of the work. Title of the work in the sense what is the title of your project. Now you should have to decide that what project you are going to do. So that title of the projects. The next includes the certificate part. Certificate parts name of student, registration number, title of the practice school, date of report submission, marks awarded, under which guide you are doing, HOD of department signature, again at the last principal signature should be there. So this is the first part where you should have to mention in the project work. And in this include the logo of the college along with the logo of the university. So whenever you start a project, it should be in the front page. The first page should be like this. And all the department, the things will be changed only department. As it is said, the Department of Pharmaceutics. Now, as you can see on the screen, so the first part is introduction part. In this part, you should have to just write what is the definition, classification, advantage, disadvantage, use. You should have to introduce your project work in these things. You should have to give a brief introduction on this topic, like tablet, definition, advantage, disadvantage, defects of tablet, by which method it is prepared. You should have to introduce in this thing. Needs for study. Need for study in the sense, the things that you are going to study. You are going to, what you are going to do. It should be not in the detailed form. It should be in the brief form only. It's not a detail. Again, the next is objectives. Why you are doing this project, what is the objectives of doing these projects. Again, review of literature. Review of literature in the sense, as you see on the screen, a literature review is an account of what has been already established or published on a particular research topic by accredited scholars and researchers. Now your topic along, you should have to just compare. If you are preparing tablet by compression method, the author, what he did by the direct compression method, you should have to compare over here. Now here the next part is the materials and method. By using what materials you are doing this project and by what method, what are the different ingredients and by which method you are going to do your project, it should be mentioned in this part. Again, result, what you have obtained from this project work, you should mention in result part. Again, discussion in the sense the result that you obtained and use the literature you have to discuss. The next part is the conclusion part. So conclusion part, what's happened over in the conclusion part? So in this conclusion part, so here the things you should have to mention what the point that you have concluded from this project work. So it should be mentioned, it should be in short, it should not be in the detail. Again, the summary part, it should be also in the short, summarized form. The last thing is that the bibliography in the sense the literature that you have mentioned in the short form of author name, this in which date it was published, again in which article it was published, volumes, issue, and in which page number it is present. the references that you have used, it should be in this part. As you can see on the screen, the definition of bibliography is an orderly listed, and the last part is the how to write the bibliography. So it is mentioned over here how to write the bibliography, the last name, initial name, again date is there, title of the articles are there, again the journal you are used, then volume, issue, and the last thing is the page number. Page number, if it is continue, you should not have to mention the whole. In the last digit, if you mention, it's enough. Thank you. Hope you got the information about the practice score that is going to benefit for you.